YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athleticallybuilt.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is the top 5 ways to relieve muscle soreness. So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. If you watched my last video, you should be familiar with the term DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. If you haven't watched that video, click the link in the top and then come back and watch this video. So you trained hard and now you're dealing with some serious muscle soreness and you want to get rid of it as quick as possible so you can continue to live a normal and pain-free life. Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you the top 5 ways to relieve muscle soreness. So let's dive in. The first way to get rid of muscle soreness is to use a machine gun. The first way of getting rid of muscle soreness is to use a massage gun or a foam roller after your workout. The two main goals of both of these tools are to loosen up and stretch the fascia around the muscle and decrease the intensity of any sore spots around the muscle. This will result in decreased muscle and joint pain. The important thing that you want to do is to make sure that you do this after your workout, either massaging or foam rolling that muscle or muscles that you worked that day. The second way of getting rid of muscle soreness is to get a good night's sleep. Sleep is where the body truly repairs itself, so make sure you're getting anywhere from 8 to 9 hours of sleep per night to boost your recovery and lessen your muscle soreness. The third way is to make sure that you get enough protein in your diet. The amino acids in protein are the building blocks of our muscles, and without enough amino acids in your diet, it will take longer for your muscles to recover. If you're not sure what your protein intake should be, watch this video where I explain it in detail, as well as the other macronutrients that you may need in order for you to become athletically built. The fourth way is to drink enough water throughout the day. Dehydration can make the recovery period feel even longer, and by drinking enough water, it can speed up the recovery process by removing toxins from your body and make sure that your muscles are in proper working order. So make sure that you drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day. The fifth way to relieve muscle soreness is to stay active by doing what we call in the fitness community low intensity active recovery. This will increase the circulation and blood flow to your sore muscles and of course helping them recover faster. If you have previously had a heavy leg day, the last thing that you want to do is to repeat that same workout. Instead, try some light cardio on a bike for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, or instead of doing a heavy barbell squat, try the machine leg press instead. Another way to help out with this is to work a different muscle group so that same muscle group that you work has had adequate time to recover. There you have it, guys. The top 5 ways to relieve muscle soreness. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.